In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily fix the ineligible country issue on Facebook. Be sure to watch to the end to avoid making any mistakes. Let's get started. First, go to Settings. Scroll down the page and tap on General. Find the Language and Region option and tap on it. Here you will find the region settings. If the region is selected incorrectly, e.g. Russia, change it to the actual location. Scroll through the list to find the region you want, or use the search bar to quickly find it. For example, if you are looking for Japan, simply type Japan into the search bar, select it, and set is your current location. Once you have selected the desired region, return to the settings. Now scroll up to the top of the page to open the search bar and type in Reset Location and Privacy. Click on this option and it will take you to the page where you can reset your settings. Click on Reset and then select Reset Location and Privacy. You may need to enter your device screen time passcode to confirm the reset. These steps should help you resolve the inappropriate country error on Facebook. Thanks for watching.